Hello there. At Britlish, we encourage students to keep their chin up while improving their English skills in the Britlish Library, and we'd like to invite you to enjoy a new British English lesson in the Britlish Library today. This new lesson teaches you 7 common British English idiomatic expressions which use the words cheek, chest, and chin. The 7 British English idiomatic expressions are: turn the other cheek, tongue in cheek, cheek by jowl, get something off your chest, keep something close to your chest, take it on the chin, and keep your chin up. If you don't know what these common English idioms mean, you don't need to take it on the chin, but can instead master them by visiting the Britlish Library today at britlish.com. When we say that all the lessons in the Britlish Library are free, it's not said tongue in cheek. Everything you need to improve your English skills really is yours for free in the Britlish Library. Don't keep this close to your chest, but tell everyone about the hundreds of free, multimedia-rich, interactive English lessons available in the Britlish Library. You can find a direct link to the cheek, chest, and chin idioms lesson below.